Morning everyone. Myself Tanzila Belim. I am working as a nursing tutor in a Chitrini College of Nursing, Prankesh. Today we are going to learn about eye medication installation. First of all, purpose. The purpose of eye medication installations there are four purposes. First is to treat infection. Second is to instill medication in the eye before examination or surgery. Third is to stain the cornea to identify any scar or abrasion. Fourth is to lubricate the eyes. Now we will learn about the articles. Eye installation medication tray. This tray contains two bowls. One contains dry cotton balls and one contains wet cotton balls soaked in normal saline. Kidney tray to discard the wet waste materials. Gloves to prevent the spread of infection, and eye medication with dropper. Before starting the procedure, we have to assess the patient for if patient has any allergy of medication, to assess the location and discharge from the eye, to assess if there is a lesion or exudate in the eye, to check for the patient is conscious or unconscious, to check patient's knowledge regarding the medication. Now second step is to check the prescription of patient. In that prescription we have to check the strength and the drops, amount of drops to instill the medication. In that, if there in the prescription if there is OD, then it means oculus dexter, means right eye. Oculus sinister, OS, means left eye. OU means oculus uterus, means both the eye. In that, whatever prescription is written OD, OS or OU, that according you have to instill the medication. After that, you have to check the prescription. You have to check the eye medication for expiry date and the label. After that, you have to assess the patient. In assessing the patient, you have to provide the comfortable position. Before comfortable position you are applying, you have to explain the procedure to patient and ask for cooperation. Provide comfortable position. In comfortable position, you have to provide sitting or lying position to patient with the hyperextension of head. If patient is wearing any eye contacts, then you have to remove the eye contacts. Wash hands and wear the sterile gloves. Now we will start the procedure. In starting the procedure, first of all you have to clean the eyelids and the eyelash of the patient. For cleaning the eyelid and eyelash of the patient, you have to take cleaning the eyelid and eyelashes, you have to use the wet cotton balls that is soaked in normal saline. You have to clean the eye from inner canthus to outer canthus in one stroke, and discard the wet cotton balls in the kidney tray. Before doing that, provide the patient a dry cotton balls in their hand so that the patient can clean their eyes. Provide the dry cotton ball in patient's hand so they can clean their eye. Wet cotton balls from inner canthus to outer canthus. Instilling the medication in the eye, you have to expose the lower conjunctival sac of the patient by placing thumb or two finger on the zygomatic bone firmly and press the zygomatic arch, so that with that the eye the lower conjunctival sac will get expand, so lower conjunctival sac can be seen properly. For instilling liquid medication in the eye, discard the one drop of medication because it is considered contaminated. Discard the one drop in the kidney tray. After discarding, again use the thumb to expand the lower conjunctival sac. And to instill the medication from dropper, hold the eye dropper 1 to 2 cm away from the eye and instill the medication from back inside the lower conjunctival sac. Instruct the patient to close their eye after eye medication installation. Once the eye medication installation is done, you have to instruct patient not to squeeze the eyes. If you squeeze the eyes, then eye injury can occur. Medication instillation. Instruct the patient to close the eyes and not to squeeze the eye. Once the patient closes the eye, you have to clean the eye with the cotton swab. The remaining remaining medication that has came out of the eyes. In the same method from inner to outer. Discard the cotton balls in the kidney tray. Instruct the patient to close the eye and press the nasolacrimal duct for 30 seconds so that the medication can flow into the eye. The procedure is done. Discard the sterile gloves in the kidney tray and replace all the articles, wash hands and do the documentation. Write the frequency of amount of drops you have instilled, the name of medication, name of patient and age. After doing the documentation, the procedure is done.